If your air conditioner blower blows at max all the time, I want to show you how to fix it. Now what I'll do is show you specifically what's happening on this 2005 Nissan Altima. You put in the key, turn it on. As soon as you turn it on, there's no control over the speed of the fan. Down there, the air conditioner is actually turned off, but the fan is max. We're gonna see if we can fix this. So I went to Amazon, I got a new blower motor resistor and my stubby Phillips screwdriver. We'll go to the passenger side of the car. You're gonna see this guard here, the blower motor resistor and the wires. You have two Phillips screws, gonna take those out. You ever feel like sometimes something's too good to be true? I kind of feel like that this time. That's it right there, simple. You saw how easy it was to change, but let's see if it actually fixed the problem. All right, let's try it. Air conditioner's off. Put in the key. Are you kidding me? No fan comes on? There it is. Works as advertised. Sometimes it's just that easy to fix your car. You'll never know unless you try. So $20 on Amazon gets you a blower motor resistor. Put it in yourself, see if it works. If not, you're only out 20 bucks. This is Wes telling you to keep your money in your pocket by doing it yourself. Have a great day.